Okay, folks, so we were able to find the ramp. And we're going to go downstairs, down by the river. And perhaps we're going to have a better view. Ah, pigeons. Okay, we got a large crowd over here. Folks are getting down here. We got everybody. We got a lot of tourists over here from all over. So, Chicago River remembers. Okay, so let's see if we could meet somebody interesting. Oh, there's a river over here. A bunch of restaurants over here. Folks are enjoying the weather, outdoors. So, yeah, everybody enjoying themselves. There's another ramp in here. We'll go to upper level. Oh, all right. Let's see, we might end up in another ramp over there at the end of this journey. Okay. State Street view. All right. One of the interesting places over there. Let's see. That's another boat over here. Trump bowling. Folks having lunch over here. I might go for something over here in a little bit, but for now, let's see if we can go through here. Marketplaces, okay. Oh, we're gonna check it out, what's going on over here. Oh, we got a gift shop. County's Pizza. Oh, this guy is enjoying himself.
Right, but not a lot, not enough.
Just cafe. Calby, Beverly. I don't know if we're going to have a ramp over here or not. Marketplace. Okay, folks. Well, I shouldn't be going too far out. I want to make sure that I found a ramp in here. Oh, we go a little bit, and then we'll see what happened in here. Oh, that's the way the boats go through here. It's a beautiful day for exploring the river view of Chicago. Boat rides over here.